You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this dish, or this Greek name for meatballs. This is Greek for meatballs. If you want to learn more names from Italian cuisine, French, also Italian, Greek cuisine, importantly, stay tuned. Keftedes, the Greek pronunciation, Keftedes. So, Keftedes. Now, in English, the referenced pronunciation in dictionaries is usually as Keftedes. Keftedes is usually how it's pronounced in English. However, I don't really see much of a reason to say Keftedes when you can just say Keftedes, which sounds a lot more like Greek. So yeah, they call in English Keftedes, but you could say it Keftedes. That would work too, which would be the Greek pronunciation. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.